To replace the brushes, first pull the spring out of its place. This is done by pushing it back and then upwards. After removing the spring, we need to open up the screws to remove the carbon brushes. Pull the carbon brush back and out like this. To place a new carbon brush back, pay attention to the placement. The tapered portion faces the spring, so the wire to the brush comes on the top. The brush close to the outgoing wire is positive. The opposite is the negative. Place the wires back and screw them to the brush holder plate. The correct order of placement is first the outgoing wire, then the brush, then the washer and the screw. Now you can place the spring back in position by pulling it around and up. Be careful not to touch the commutator with the spring or screwdriver. Once it's in its place, check if it's functioning properly by pulling the brush slightly back and then letting go. The spring should push the carbon brush back onto the commutator. The same applies for the other side. If the spring comes out like here, simply place it back with the tip facing away from the brush like this. Again, twist it around and pull it up. Confirm if it's working well.